the channel. So as you can see, we are packing up because we have been invited by one of our friends to their son's birthday. So happy birthday to him. And now we are packing. We are going there for a sleepover because the birthday will be tomorrow. So yeah, I guess we are going to begin the vlogging here. I'm not sure if I'm going to remember to vlog, but if I will, I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you on the other side.
See you there.
Bye bye.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep.
Done. So this is all the clothes, mine, Mister's and Frenchie's. It's just a sleepover, so these are just clothes to wear tomorrow for the party, and then we come back home. So let's go.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
So guys, we have started our journey. I didn't even tell you where we are going to. We are heading to Hamburg. So we've already exited Berlin. So we only have 1 hour 50 minutes left for us to be there. And the weather is so bad. This is the state of the weather. It's raining. But hopefully when we get to Hamburg it won't be this bad, because I didn't even carry any sweater. For me, for Franchi, we just have no sweaters. Because you told me that the weather will be nice.
I mean, 22, 23 degrees.
Yeah, but
yeah, it's still quite a bit. I don't know.
okay then. So I guess we'll continue updating you where we are, or updating you on how it goes. So see you on the other side. Mister is busy there driving.
You're hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full.
2,000 years later.
How we make this? So we start by pumping these balloons.
Of dreams, tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
Then we take 2 more.
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready.
Then you tie them together. That's how you make it. So next batch.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And then you say, oh, promesas son nada más que solo palabras. Y si no las cumples, se van a desvanecer.
It around the ring. So for now, this is the stage. There is more balloons downstairs, so we are going to go with you guys down there. So yeah. Okay, so now we are making this balloon hack for the birthday. There is my friend. She's the one who is making it.
Pasos te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor de todo eso.
Here is the final product. It looks so nice. So here is the birthday cake made by my friend from scratch. So this marks the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up until the end. Thanks also to my friend for inviting us, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye.
Quiero ser tu